Hello guys, welcome back to our channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to change your Facebook profile using the Facebook app on your phone. So you can follow the steps. First, open the Facebook app on your phone and you have to log into your account if you have not already. And tap on the three horizontal lines menu icon in the top right corner of the screen to open the menu. And on the top left corner, there's your name. And to go to your profile, tap on that. To change your profile picture, tap on your profile picture, and on the bottom you can see your profile picture. Choose profile picture, or you could also import from Instagram. So I'm going to tap on the second option which says choose from profile picture. So you are also access to your camera roll, and you have other options as well. On the top you could see here. So I'm simply going to tap on one of this, and you can also share your update to newsfeed on the bottom. That's it. So I'm going to tap it not to share, and on the top right corner there's a save option. Select that option, and now it's uploading. And this is it guys, this is how you can change your profile picture in Facebook. And thank you for watching this video. I hope I could help you. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell notification icon for more upcoming uploads.